Have you ever wondered how Japanese people manage to save money so effectively, even in a country known for its high cost of living? It's not just about earning more, it's about a culture deeply rooted in financial discipline and smart money management. Imagine if you could adopt these principles and build your wealth steadily. We're diving into the Japanese way of saving money, a system honed over centuries that emphasizes mindfulness, minimalism, and strategic planning. By the end of this video, you'll have practical insights to implement in your life right away, paving the way for a more secure financial future. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. Cultural foundation in Japanese savings. In the pursuit of wealth and financial stability, understanding the cultural foundations of Japanese savings offers a profound lesson. From childhood, Japanese learn the value of thriftiness through concepts like motenai, no waste, and kaizen, continuous improvement. Imagine if every purchase you made was considered not just for today, but for its impact on your future. Japanese culture teaches us that financial security is about making thoughtful choices today that benefit us tomorrow. This approach isn't just about accumulating money, it's a mindset that shapes personal finance habits and long-term financial security. Ask yourself, is this expense truly necessary? By focusing on needs over wants, you can build wealth steadily and sustainably. Number 2. Kakeibo. Over a century ago, Kakeibo was developed as a simple yet powerful tool to track household finances. Unlike digital apps, Kakeibo is handwritten, making you more aware of your spending habits. Imagine if every month you could clearly see where your money was going and adjust your budget accordingly. It's not about complex financial tricks, but a simple practice of using a notebook to track your income and expenses. Think of it as a food diary for your wallet. By adopting Kakeibo, you not only track expenses, but also set clear savings goals, ensuring that your financial decisions are intentional and aligned with your priorities. Start using Kakeibo today to gain clarity on your finances. Write down your income, fixed expenses, and savings goals. Review your spending regularly to identify areas where you can cut back and prioritize savings. Small, consistent changes lead to significant financial growth over time. Number 3. The role of Shufu, Chief Financial Officer. In many Japanese households, wives take on the role of the Shufu, or Chief Financial Officer. This unique system ensures that money is managed meticulously, with a focus on savings and long-term financial stability. Imagine if your household finances were managed with such precision, allowing you to allocate resources wisely and plan for the future with confidence. By adopting similar practices, you can create a structured financial plan that prioritizes savings and reduces financial stress. Consider implementing an envelope budgeting system similar to shokuryo, used by Japanese housewives. Allocate specific amounts for essentials, savings, and discretionary spending. By using cash instead of credit cards, you gain better control over your finances and avoid unnecessary debt. Number 4. Embracing frugality as a path to financial freedom. In Japan, frugality isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that enhance your quality of life. From buying secondhand goods to embracing minimalism inspired by Marie Kondo, Japanese people demonstrate that financial security can coexist with a fulfilling lifestyle. Imagine if every purchase you made added value and meaning to your life instead of contributing to clutter and debt. By adopting a mindset of intentional spending, you can enjoy a richer life while building long-term financial stability. Practice Ichigo Ichie. Invest in experiences over possessions. Prioritize quality over quantity when making purchases. By living below your means and focusing on what truly matters, you can achieve financial independence without sacrificing your happiness. Number 5. Embracing minimalism. In Japan, minimalism extends beyond decluttering physical spaces. It influences financial decisions. Rather than accumulating material possessions, many Japanese prioritize experiences and meaningful investments. This mindset shift emphasizes value over volume, reducing unnecessary expenses and fostering contentment with less. It's akin to packing lightly for a journey. Carry only what adds value to your life. By applying this principle to your finances, you prioritize spending on what truly matters, freeing up resources for wealth-building activities. Practice minimalism in your financial choices to enhance satisfaction and align spending with your values, leading to greater financial freedom and reduced stress. Number 6. Patience and delayed gratification. Japanese financial wisdom emphasizes patience and delayed gratification. Instead of succumbing to impulsive spending, they evaluate purchases based on long-term value. This mindset shift from instant gratification to thoughtful decision-making cultivates discipline and prevents unnecessary debt accumulation. It's akin to waiting for a sale rather than paying full price, a practice that not only conserves financial resources, but also promotes smarter financial habits over time. Practice patience in financial decisions to strengthen discipline and prioritize long-term financial security over short-term desires, fostering sustainable wealth accumulation. Number 7. Teaching financial literacy early. Financial education starts early in Japan, teaching children the value of money management alongside fundamental life skills. By instilling financial literacy from a young age, Japanese culture equips individuals to navigate financial complexities confidently. This early exposure ensures that managing finances becomes second nature, empowering individuals to make informed decisions and build a solid financial foundation from early adulthood. Educate yourself and your children on financial literacy to foster responsible money habits and ensure long-term financial well-being, setting the stage for generational wealth accumulation. Number 8. Avoiding impulse purchases. The Japanese adhere to the 72-hour rule, an antidote to impulse buying. Before making significant purchases, they wait 72 hours to evaluate whether the item aligns with their needs and financial goals. This pause reduces impulse spending, allowing for more deliberate financial decisions based on necessity rather than fleeting desires. By implementing this rule, individuals safeguard their finances from unnecessary expenditures and cultivate a habit of mindful spending. Adopt the 72-hour rule to curb impulse purchases and enhance financial discipline, ensuring every expenditure contributes to your long-term financial objectives. Number 9. Maintaining a strong work ethic. Japanese culture values diligence and dedication in work, which translates into a conscientious approach to money management. By earning money through hard work, individuals develop a profound respect for financial resources, minimizing wasteful spending and maximizing value. This work ethic instills a sense of responsibility towards money, encouraging thoughtful financial decisions that prioritize long-term stability and prosperity. Embrace a strong work ethic to cultivate respect for financial resources and foster conscientious money management, paving the way for sustained financial success and personal fulfillment. The Japanese approach to saving money offers valuable lessons that anyone can apply to achieve financial success. Start today by making small, intentional changes to your financial habits and watch as your savings grow. Remember, financial freedom isn't about how much you earn. It's about how wisely you manage your money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on achieving financial independence. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. How will you apply Japanese money-saving principles in your life? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.